10 years ago, I built this big slot machine, where you put ball in the input, pull the lever and see if you win or not. 10 years after, I built a mini version of this slot machine with the same functioning, but with less parts, better functioning and building instruction. Hi, I am Nico71, a Lego Technic designer, and I will present you today this mini slot machine. This is how it works. You put the ball in the loader on the top, then pull the front lever, which will release the ball inside the machine in the probability path. This probability path is composed of two OR gates using triangle parts, where the ball can fall on each side. On free output of this path, the ball is lost and fall in the ball reservoir. On one path, the ball falls on a special trigger which deactivates the ratchet which releases the ball reservoir, and then you win what's inside the ball reservoir. Therefore, you have one chance over 4 to win each time. The last mechanism is the most interesting. This is the resetting mechanism. This mechanism is triggered by the main lever on the front. When you pull it, it releases the ball inside the machine, but also pull a lever on the side which lifts the ball reservoir and lock it in the closed position using a ratchet. The lever operates firstly the ball reservoir, and when it is at its end stop, pull the ratchet to lock in position. So, the ratchet is decoupled from the lever, which means it can be operated independently, and this is the case when a ball falls on it from the probability path. By failing over, the ball pushes the ratchet and releases the ball reservoir, which makes you win. To finish, an elastic connected to the mechanism allows to return to its initial position. Simple, reliable and very fun. Of course, you can cheat, as the probability is based on the gravity, by letting the ball fall on one side or other or each gate. You just need to lift a bit the right back point to trigger every time the win. But honestly, it is not very fun, isn't it? I have made the building instruction in a high-definition PDF with part list in the same way as Lego do. Just pay attention to the placement of each part, as it can affect the winning or losing probabilities. And do not pull too much the main lever, which can stretch the building and affect the ball path. Except that, the building is pretty straightforward. You can find the instruction in the link in the description. Thanks for your attention. This is a nice and functional model with an interesting mechanism. So, I hope you liked the video and the model. Have a look to the links in the description. Take care, play well, bye.